What's up everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your valve cover gasket and the spark plug gasket in this Mitsubishi Lancer, but this video can help you for idea to change it on almost every other car. So yes, now I'm going to show you. So the first thing I'm going to do is to clean everything around the area of the valve cover, because I don't want anything to fall into the engine when I take out the valve cover to replace the gaskets. So you need to clean everything here, behind here, everything, and then we are going to take out the valve cover and I'm going to show you how it's done. So the first thing we're going to do after cleaning the valve cover is to take out this plastic cover right here. This is the timing belt cover, and to take it out you only need to take out three bolts, three 10mm bolts. This one right here, this one, and this one right here. And with those bolts out, you can take out the cover. So after taking out the timing belt cover from here, we are going to take out the cable, the gas cable here, like this, and from here also like this, and we're gonna put it aside. Then we are going to take out the spark plug cables. First of all, you need to take out the plugs like this, and also this plug right here, and then you just take out the cable, and this part of the spark plug you need to take out with this. So to take out this part of the spark plug you need to take out this bolt and this bolt, and also here this bolt and this bolt with a 10mm. Then we are going to take out this hose and this hose right here, and we are going to be able to take out the valve cover, taking out 6 bolts, one here, one here, and one here, and also one here, another one right here, and the last one right here, right back here. So I'm going to take out the spark plugs cables and these hoses, and then I'm going to show you when I'm going to take out these 6 bolts. So after taking out the spark plug cables, I forgot to tell you that you need to take out also this bolt right here. This will secure this hose, you need to take it out, and then I'm going to take out these 6 bolts that I told you early, and with that out I can take out the valve cover and replace the gaskets. So I just take out all the 6 bolts, and now I can lift this cover, this valve cover. But if yours is stock, you can take a flathead screwdriver here and very carefully pry a little bit to take out the valve cover. So now as you can see, I have the valve cover out. Now I'm going to change the 4 spark plugs gaskets right here, and also the cover, the valve cover gasket, that is this one right here. And then I'm going to clean the surface of the valve cover, and then put again the valve cover. So here I have the new spark plug gaskets. Those are the old ones, these are the new ones. Now I'm going to change it. So I just put the new spark plug gaskets. To take the old ones you just need to take like that, to take it like that, and put the new ones just like this, easy. And here are the old ones. You see this one has a leak. This old one look smash. And yes, now I'm going to take out the cover gasket, the valve cover gasket. You just need to pry from an edge, and you can take out the old gasket. So to take out the old gasket, you just need to pry from here, and you just take it out and put the new one. So here I have the new gasket, here I have the old one. So now I'm going to put very careful the valve cover. First of all, you need to clean the surface, and then you put all the bolts. So I just put the new gasket and the valve cover. Now, before tightening all 6 bolts, verify that check that the gasket is properly seated, and then you can tighten the 6 bolts. So with all 6 bolts tight, you can now put the cables, the spark plug cables, and all the bolts for these hoses, and remember to put all the hoses, and that's it. So I already put the spark plug cables with all their bolts and the 2 hoses and the accelerator cable, and that's it. This is all the installation. Just remember to put again the plastic cover of the timing belt. And yes, I hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, and see you on the next video.